Planning your 2026 conference calendar? Don't start with who has the best swag. Start with the work that never pauses. Think about wire approvals, patient imaging access, and tax file sharing. Justin Martin from Cybersecurity Solutions puts it perfectly. The best conference takeaway is the one that has an owner, a budget path, and a compliance or operations outcome attached before anyone books travel. That's the problem with a lot of Miami tech events. People come back with shiny vendor brochures but no real plan. To fix this, you need a solid business filter. Before you book flights, ask yourself if the agenda actually helps your daily operations. Will it speed up customer responses or reduce cloud waste? You also need to send the right people. Budget approvers and system managers need completely different sessions. Look for practical training tied to your specific compliance rules like HIPAA or CMMC. Check out our list of top Miami events for 2026. We cover Sibos, Smart City Expo, and TECHSPO. We also highlight SANS and the TBM conference. Each one targets a specific priority like finance workflows or cybersecurity training. But the real magic happens after you get home. You need to assign one person to own the follow-up. Get those vendor claims in writing. Compare new ideas against your current tools before you buy anything. Finally, make a firm decision on what actually gets funded. Want to turn your next conference trip into real IT progress? Read the full article to learn more and add this episode to your Spotify playlist.